Hello AquaSun fans. Today we are on day 7 of our ozone, non-ozone test using lettuce. It has been a week since we started the test. In our first basket are ozonated pieces of lettuce and spinach. Still looking nice, fresh and crisp, ready to eat. Our second basket, however, has developed more spoilage, slimy. There's still a foul odor that is coming out. Not nice. Not nice to eat. Today is day 7 of our ozone, non-ozone test using our wonderful product, the VeggieClean.